and welcome to lesson number 4 of Realty Ready, our signature program for real estate agents. I hope that you enjoy our program so far and you learn from what we have covered till now. So let's go ahead with the lesson for today. In today's lesson, we will learn about what are the most important things for investors. And we will cover local and international laws, rules and regulations concerning real estate, foreign ownership restrictions, location, infrastructure, mobility and public transport connectivity, and technology. Foreign ownership restrictions. In Spain, for example, there are no non-residence ownership legal restrictions. In Switzerland, on the other hand, there are annual limits to the number of houses a foreign investor can buy, and the country's stock of properties identified as second homes is capped at 20%. Where in Dubai, there are freehold and leasehold areas. In freehold areas, you own the property and the land forever. Foreign nationals are permitted to own properties in designated areas approved by the ruler of Dubai. In leasehold areas, foreigners own the property but not the land. Leasehold ownership is from 10 years to maximum 99 years. Foreign nationals are only permitted to enter into a long-term lease for properties located in leasehold designated areas. GCC nationals are not considered foreigners. They can buy properties in leasehold areas and own the property and the land forever. Location, location, location. Location is key to valuable real estate. Properties in touristic areas and areas that have little room for expansion tend to be more valuable than those in areas that have plenty of room. Investors consider the accessibility, appearance, and amenities of a neighborhood as well as future plans for development. Infrastructure, mobility, and public transport connectivity. With the climate change, most of authorities are also aiming to make cities healthier, sustainable, and desirable, banning or limiting cars, strict controls on carbon emissions, making more green spaces, and so on. Technology. What we are seeing currently is that a lot of technology applies to urban infrastructure and the built environment, whether it's mobility, connectivity, security, energy efficiency, or smart grids, all of which cuts into real estate in a huge way. Also, smart homes are becoming more and more popular all around the world. Other things that are important for investors are demand and occupancy rate, past, current, and predicted, property lifespan, market transparency, and unique properties. The market is something of a paradox. The world is not a happy place right now with all the political and economic uncertainty caused by a global pandemic changing the world and our lives, but it might not be such a bad place for investors and real estate. That's why you should take this opportunity seriously and do your best and focus to learn as much as possible for our program to be able to serve your clients and give them the best advices and find for them the best properties in the market and of course make good money for yourself. That was all for this lesson. See you in the next one.